We stay on the diamond for softball. Millington on the road to take on Saginaw Swan Valley in a Tri-Valley Conference clash. 3-0 Millington playing this year with a purpose. We start here in the first. Bases loaded. Maddie Hahn, the slicing fly to right, drops in. Maddie Olds and Sydney Bishop score. Cardinals up 3-zip. Millington returns a total softball player of the year candidate on the mound. The senior Gabby Sherman. The Kent State recruit gets Mallory Urich for excessive window shopping. Then Logan Kaiser, she gone. Jump ahead to the fourth. Millington threatening with a pair on. Sherman helping her cause at the dish. Shot past the diving right fielder, drives in Darian Roberts and Leah Denome. Cardinal lead at 5. 6th inning now. Millington still mashing. Bishop with the deep drive to the wall. Denome is home. Cards up a 7 spot. But the headline out of this game, the pitching performance of Sherman. Vanquishing Vikings left and right. 13 strikeouts and a perfect game on the line here. Maggie Teal flies out to Denome, the first perfecta in Sherman's career. Millington shuts out Saginaw Swan Valley 7-0.
It was exciting. This is a good team here. We played them every year almost since I've been in high school, and it's always been great games. And we came out ready to play this game. I had defense behind me. I couldn't have thrown the perfect game without them. Our center fielder saved my butt at the end there, so I couldn't have done it without my team.